In today's video, I'm going to show you two Chrome extensions that have blown my mind away. Everybody's talking about artificial intelligence and ChatGPT, and if you can use that content, copyrights, plagiarism, originality, and all that nonsense. Thing is, ChatGPT and other GPT-3 and other models are here to stay, and they will change the copywriting and search engine optimization world forever, even the coding world, which is my world. But let me show you how you can utilize Chrome extension to make it even more powerful in search engine optimization and other use cases. The first extension is called AIprm for ChatGPT, and it has 80,000 users plus, and you can just add it to Chrome. When you add this extension and have it active in your Chrome browser, when you go to ChatGPT, your prompt area will look a bit different. As you can see, you have some kind of a prompts here, and there is like several topics you can choose from the topic drop down, like copywriting, DevOps, marketing, SEO, and everything else. And then this will be, you have to do this, this will be filtered to what you chose here. So if you are search engine optimization strategies or whatever, you can use several of these things in your benefit. As you can see, I really like the Outrank article, which basically you go to your competitor, give it a URL, and it will try to write content that will outrank that article. I'm still testing it. I will probably do a video with a case study on it. I'm a bit skeptic because this is not just bomb like that and you outrank somebody on the first page of Google. It's not like a guarantee, but it does a pretty good job. The other part is keyword strategy. For example, you can completely create a whole keyword strategy. So you give it a keyword and it will give you a content plan from one keyword and other things. Outlines for blog article or audit existing content for SEO, create a silo structure, optimize Google business profile, and rewrite an article to have it human content score 100. I was testing ChatGPT. I will give you two things you can say. So basically, if you say to have less perplexity and more burstiness, those are the two very fancy words. Basically, when AI writes content, it's very uniform, so it has either all long sentences or all short sentences. While human is writing an article, it's mixed or different, and that's how those originality scores are calculated. So if you say to ChatGPT, please give me more perplexity and more burstiness, it will be better. The output will be more original, not AI generated. But this here, you can attract more customers with English copywriting from an expert. As you can see, there is always over 101 prompts available, because now you can add your own prompts and you can share it like a template with the community. The other one is called WebChatGPT, and this is making ChatGPT have internet access. Basically, when you have this on and you turn the search on web checkbox, the ChatGPT will search for whatever you are typing, take first free results from Google, and use that content to generate whatever content you need. So basically, you will have content after late 2021, because that is where the model of the ChatGPT is restricted to the content before the first quarter of 2022. Sorry, you don't have like data from the internet and stuff like that. This extension works like a charm for that. So go ahead and try it out and tell me in the comments, what do you like about ChatGPT, and do you think that your job is threatened by artificial intelligence and how it is evolving? This is a revolution that happened in like few months. I know there were a lot of tools out there, a lot of premium tools, but as this free ChatGPT came out, it just changed everything, because it became available to everyone, and then they see the power of artificial intelligence. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm making these videos, mostly money making videos, and you can use these extensions to make money, because if your search engine optimization is better, or video scripts or whatever, you will make more money using ChatGPT. Like, and see you on the other side. If you really want to make money online using ChatGPT, I have a playlist here that you can use.